Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can report a Pinterest profile for climate misinformation. So, let's get started.
Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started.
First of all, open the Pinterest app on your device. Now, tap on your search icon and then search for the profile you want to report. Then, open any one of your pin of the person and then tap on their profile. Next, tap on the three dots icon, then select report button. Now you can find misinformation option. Tap on it and then select on this is climate misinformation option. Finally, tap on the report button and that's it. This is how you can report a Pinterest profile for climate misinformation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.